Good evening, Shreevijay. This is Yogish here from CMTI Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. Shreevijay, tell me about yourself.
Sir, thank you, sir. First of all, I'm Shreevijay, sir. I'm Shreevijay with Chikkadesai from Bagalkot. I completed my BTech degree in civil engineering in BGMIT, Mudhol, Bagalkot. And thereafter, I have joined CMTI.
Which course you joined here?
Sir, I joined for a CACM course, sir.
Okay, what are the things you learned in your internship here at CMTI?
About CACM, sir, I have gone through so much exposure about new technologies about construction, sir. Mainly site visits, barbending schedule, cost and estimations, billing of quantity, and procurement engineering, and so on, sir.
Okay, what are the other topics you learned?
Sir, apart from this, I also got aware about information about interior designing and so much of softwares like Google SketchUp, Autocad, and Revit, sir.
And what about the site visit? Which are the sites where you visited and what are the things you learned?
Yes, sir. CMTI give the exposure about the site visits like IBO, IKEA, showroom visits, and Balaji Wall Textures, and Victoria Hospital, and green buildings.
Okay, so what you learned then?
So in our site visits, sir, we have learned about, for example, green buildings. What are the new technologies came up for the environmental friendly to overcome all the pollution. So nowadays, so green buildings, it is one of the boosting area in the construction field. In site visit, so in the site visit, you have visited another one site is called Victoria Hospital. There we have learned about what are the instruments they are using for the construction purpose, like cranes, and what are the other systems like HVAC systems, and what are the air quality control they are using for the construction industry, and other flooring materials for different kind of buildings like residential building and commercial buildings, and also.
Okay, so how was the support from the trainer, coordinators during your internship?
Yes, sir. Trainers are so friendly about to interact with people, students, and so approach towards the syllabus. So informative, well-knowledge persons to give syllabus-related real-time problems in civil engineering fields, sir. And they are well-trained and well-experienced.
And so finally, what you would like to say to the juniors, students who would like to join CMTI?
So I would like to say about juniors is don't step back to ask the questions to the trainers. So how much questions you will ask for the trainers, that much of knowledge you will gain from trainers, because the trainers which have CMTI in their package, they all are well informative and well experienced, like Virpaksha sir and Natarajan sir and all so many sirs. And especially one thing is about Ashok Kumar sir is giving brief and well explanation about the time management. So nowadays, apart from construction industry, the time management is very important. So I would like to say big thanks for Ashok Kumar sir giving this kind of exposure for engineers, sir.
What you would like to say to the students who would like to join CMTI, about CMTI?
Oh, okay, sir. Students which are passing out in coming days, I would like to suggest them to join CMTI, because the exposure giving CMTI to the construction world is very informative, and the knowledge sharing of CMTI to the new. So I would like to say one thing is about for juniors is don't miss the opportunity to take CMTI, because it is well-trained people it will containing. In these kind of days, no other institution giving this kind of well-trained and experienced person is very important for teaching field in the construction industry. So don't miss the chance to get in CMTI, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay, congratulations on your completion of your CACM course. Good luck for your future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.